Before you proceed, that's the only document missing, the handwritten.
The handwritten acknowledgement, Your Honor, of the 7 TCT titles, and the date of sale, Your Honor, of the Miriam property, Your Honor, both in handwriting.
And the deed of sale and the 7 titles are with you,
Yes, Your Honor. In
Except-
fact, we have
except-
it marked even, Your Honor.
except the handwritten receipt.
Yung bang deed of sale, nandiyan? Andyan? Ano nawawala? Yes, Your Honor, only the handwritten acknowledgement of Mrs. Corona relative to the borrowing of the 7 TCTs, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Proceed, Counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Mrs. Bayuga.
Good afternoon, sir.
And you testified yesterday, was that by virtue of a subpoena?
Yes, Your Honor.
And when exactly did you receive that subpoena?
Yesterday morning
Also
at
yesterday?
around 10 a.m.
Okay. Now, when you received that subpoena, you were asked to bring with you the certification that you brought with you. Is that correct? Or had you already prepared that beforehand, ma'am?
Beforehand, sir,
Okay. Before you came to court yesterday to testify, you are aware of the Supreme Court resolution dated February 14, 2012, regarding the propriety of Supreme Court justices and employees from testifying before this impeachment court?
naririnig ko po yun pero hindi ko po nabasa.
Hindi niyo po nabasa. So, nung sinapina po kayo, wala po kayong ginawa na may ugnayan ho dun sa resolution na yon? Kailangan niyo bang magpaalam sa korte bago kayo nagpunta dito?
Siguro po hindi na dahil yung pong first time, February 1, meron din po akong subpoena from the prosecution.
Tama po, pero February 14 ho na issue yung resolution. Ang tanong ko po, nung receive nyo yung inyong subpoena, which you said was Monday, in effect na ho yung February 14 resolution. May ginawa ba ho kayo? Did you have to take any steps before coming to court and testifying?
Your
Wala
Honor,
na po.
please. Teka mo. Your Honor, please, we are compelled to object, Your Honor. Because there is nothing on record, Your Honor, that will show that this witness necessitated an authority from the Honorable Supreme Court in order to be here and testify on the matter she had testified pursuant to the subpoena issued by this Honorable Court, Your Honor.
What is the purpose of this line of questioning, Counsel?
Your Honor, I'd just like to know if there was authority for the witness to testify, because when it was our turn to present our evidence, as pointed out by Senator Pangilinan.
What is the relevance of or materiality, whether there is or there is no authority given to this witness?
We would just like to know, Your Honor, and we would also like to know if there is a different treatment by the Supreme Court of the witnesses for the prosecution vis-a-vis witnesses for the defense.
I would suggest that you go direct to the point of your cross-examination. That's a peripheral matter. That's a collateral matter.
Yes, Your Honor. And anyway, she admitted that she did not have to do anything. Okay, so Mrs. Witness, you said that you prepared that certification which you brought to court yesterday. You prepared it beforehand. When exactly was this, ma'am?
Last February.
Do you have a date?
And this certification, I prepared it last March 8.
Okay. Under whose instructions did you prepare it? Who asked you to prepare it, ma'am?
Upon instruction of my superior.
When you say superior, this is Chief Justice Corona?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So he directly instructed you to prepare it? Is that correct?
through my immediate chief.
So you did not talk to him directly? Did you consult with him directly?
No, sir.
Okay. Whether during the preparation or after it was prepared, you never had a chance to speak to Chief Justice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So when you prepared it, I'm assuming that it was also the figures, you had a lot of figures here concerning his salaries and allowances. I'm assuming that you also had this checked by the Office of the Chief Justice before you signed it?
No, Your Honor.
So you just signed it without him having seen it beforehand, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, just to recap, so I can move on to another point. Chief Justice asked you to prepare this table, which you did, and you signed it, and up to today, Chief Justice has not seen this table. Would that be accurate?
The exact, Your Honor, with the kind indulgence of the Honorable Court, the exact testimony of the witness, Your Honor, is to the effect that she was instructed by her immediate superior, who must have been talked to by the Chief Justice. That was the answer of the
Your Honor,
witness.
the witness is here. She's competent to answer.
Let the witness explain.
Okay.
Madam Witness, please, very clear. Make your answers clear so that there will be no wrangling.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ulitin ko po. So, nagpagawa po si Chief Justice nitong certification na ito. Ginawa niyo po, tama.
Yes.
Tapos, pinirmahan niyo ho nang hindi niyo po pinapacheck muna kay Chief Justice. Tama
Yes,
ho ba
Your
yun?
Honor.
Okay. So, hanggang ngayon ho ba, hindi pa nakikita ni Chief Justice ito?
Nakita na po.
Kailan ho niya nakita?
Last Monday,
O bago kayo nagpunta dito?
kahapon po ako nagpunta dito.
Okay, so bago kayo nag-testify. Ano ho ang comments niya? Doon ho nag-meeting na kayo na face-to-face ni Chief Justice?
Binigay ko lang po sa kanya.
Okay. Tapos, bakit niyo ho ibigay sa kanya?
Dahil po meron pong discrepancy, yung pong kami mag-check with the auditor.
Okay.
Yung una pong ibinigay naming certification.
So, may pagkakamali ho yung una niyong draft?
Yung pong computation ko po, hindi ko po
Okay.
naisama yung additional, yung salary increases ni Chief.
Okay, and he pointed out that there was a mistake.
Hindi po siya ang nag-point out, kundi po ang auditor.
Okay. Teka ho, sabi niyo, pinirmahan niyo na ho kaagad. So, yung signed certification niyo ho, nakita hong may mali yun. So, gumawa ho kayo ng bago. Is that accurate?
Opo.
Okay. So, dalawa na ho yung signed niyo. Yung isa, tinapon niyo na ho, yung may mali.
Yung pong isa, itinapon na po
Okay. So, yung mali ho na yun, hindi si Chief Justice yung nag-point out, pero yung auditor.
Opo.
Pero, pinarating niyo ho kay Chief Justice yon yung first version.
Opo, dahil kukunin ko po yung isang copy.
Okay.
Eh,
Ano naman ho yung feedback sa inyo?
wala naman po.
Okay. So si Chief Justice ho yung pinaka-boss ho nyo sa Supreme Court. Tama ho ba yan?
Opo, siya po ang chief of the agency.
So wala ho kayong pagkakataon na nagbigay siya ng instructions sa inyo tungkol sa paghanda nitong certification?
Wala po.
Either directly or indirectly? Wala hong pinapasabi?
Wala po.
Okay. Bukod ho kay Chief Justice, may iba ba pa hong justice na involved ho doon sa pag-review at paghanda ng certification na dinala niya?
Lahat pong justices, ginawa ko po ng certification.
Sabay-sabay ho niyong ginawa?
Isa-isa po, dahil napakarami po.
Oho, pero
For 2011 po yung ginawa ko sa ibang justices.
okay, so yung paggawa niyo ho nitong certification na ito, this is an annual thing. Every year niyo hong ginagawa ito.
Upon request po.
Okay, so sa ngayon hong pagkakataon, si Chief Justice lang ho ang nag-request. Tama ho ba yun?
Meron pong ibang justices.
Okay. Alam niyo ba ho kung anong para saan yung certification?
Hindi ko po alam kung saan ko nila gagamitin.
Okay. Yung certification niyo ho, no? Babasahin ko po. Ito ho yung Exhibit 114, yung una niyo hong papel na ipinakita sa korte. This is to certify that Honorable Renato C. Corona, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines, received the following salaries. Yun po. Tapos dun sa last page, this certification is being issued for whatever legal purpose it may serve His Honor. March 8, 2012. Ito hong His Honor, si Chief Justice po yan.
Opo.
Okay. So, kasi siya nagpagawa sa inyo. Ganong katagal niyo ho ginawa itong certification na ito?
Matagal din po dahil nag-start po kami ng 2002.
Okay. Pero ito ho, so bale update lang ho ito ng existing certification?
Yearly po, meron po kaming inire-report sa COA na allowance, salaries and allowances and other emoluments for the yearly po yun.
Ay, hindi. Ganito na lang ho. Kailan ho kayo in-instruct ni Chief Justice na gumawa ng certification na ito?
Referring to the certification now marked in evidence.
Exhibit 114.
Mga third week of February.
Third week of February. May kinalaman ba ho paggawa nito tungkol dito sa kaso na ito?
Hindi ko po alam, sir.
Pero alam niyo hong may kasong ongoing laban kay... Accountant ba ho kayo, Ms. Baruca?
Hindi po.
So, second week of February, natapos niyo ho March 8, mga 3 linggo. Accurate ba ho yun, more or less?
More or less po.
Tapos sabi niyo ho, mag-isa niyong ginawa. Nobody assisted you. Yun ho yung pagkasabi niyo kahapon.
Dahil meron na po kaming existing records na yearly po hinihingi ng COA, kanya po parang mas madali po sa amin yon.
So, valid, nagdagdag na lang ho kayo ng 1 taon? Ganun ho ba?
Nagdadagdag lang po kami.
Okay, so yung past, the previous entries, calendar years 2002 to 2010, hindi nyo na ho ginalaw yun. 2011 na lang dinagdag nyo?
Nireview din po namin.
Okay. Pag sinabi nyo nireview nyo, yun yung binabanggit nyo kahapon na chinecheck nyo po yung bawat payroll. Tama ho ba yun?
Opo, nireview din po namin. Baka po mamaya meron pong pagkakamali.
Okay. So, hindi nyo lang ho dinadagdag yung 2011, dinodouble check nyo pa ho dun sa existing hard. May file ho siguro ng payroll yan, yung sinasabi nyong voluminous. Ano?
Meron po.
So, kayo lang ho ang gumawa niyan.
Pinukukuha ko lang po sa file namin. Then, I'm the one who reviewed and
Opo.
evaluated the record.
Reviewed and evaluated. So, hindi ho kayo nagpasok ng entries?
Actually, may entries po ako. I'm the one.
Oo, sabi niyo ho kasi kahapon alone di ba? Sabi niyo no
Opo.
one assisted you.
Meron po ako po ang gumawa po.
Okay, teka ho. Kayo ho mismo nagpasok ng entries ng
Ako
bago.
po ang nagpasok ng entries.
Okay. Yung yung mga nakaraan ho, 2002 to 2010, kayo ba rin ho nagpasok na?
Yung mga pong mga past years, nagre-request na ano po yun, nagawa na po yun, pero kinuha din po uli namin ng payroll, kinuha ko po ang payroll, tinignan ko po uli.
So para sigurado ho.
Para po sigurado.
Oo. Pero sabi niyo you did it alone. Wala ho nag-check nung ginawa niyo.
Wala na po.
Okay, so isang tao lang ho yan. Walang pangalawang set ng mata na magtitingin. Baka nagkamali kayo ng isang numero. Wala
Kung
kang
mali
ganun.
lang po, ako po yung
Okay.
nag-check alone.
Okay. yung mga ano ho, yung mga miyembro ho ng abogado po ng Defense Council, nakipagkita ba ho kayo bago kayo nagpunta dito?
Doon lang po kami naupo
Saan ho?
sa defense po dahil wala po naman akong kilala dito.
Yung sinasabi niyo ho kahapon bago kayo tawagin.
Bago po.
Bago ho nun, wala kayong hindi kayo nakikipagkita sa kahit kaninong abogado.
Wala naman
Hindi ho
po.
kayo nag-practice ng testimony niyo.
Wala naman po.
Okay. Okay, so punta na ho tayo dun sa certification nyo, yung Exhibit 114. May kopya ba ho kayo sa harapan ninyo?
This is the certification.
Yes.
Opo.
Yung ginawa nyo ho, March 8?
Opo.
Okay. Okay. Ngayon, una ko hong napansin, it's divided into 3 different sets: salaries and other emoluments, fringe benefits and other allowances, tapos yung panghuli ho, expense allowance. Nakikita niyo ho yun?
Opo.
Ano ba ho yung pagkakaiba? Ano ba ho ibig sabihin ng emoluments?
Iba't iba pong allowances na tinatanggap ni Chief Justice. At
Okay. Ano ho ang pinagkaiba ng set na yan, yung first group, dun sa pangalawang group, yung fringe benefits and other allowances? Kasi ho, nakagrupo ho ng iba eh.
Opo. Ito pong fringe benefit and other allowances. Ang iba po dito, ibinigay po namin sa out of our fiscal autonomy.
Ano ho ibig sabihin nun? Pwede niyo ba hong paliwanag sa akin?
Yung pong allowances po na ibinigay namin sa fiscal autonomy out of savings po.
As opposed to, yung first group ho,
Yung first
kung
po,
hindi out of savings yun, out of saan ho yan?
sa GAA po,
Okay. GAA meaning General Appropriations.
Appropriation Act.
So yan ho yung budget ng Supreme Court.
Opo.
Yung ano ho, yung third grouping, expense allowance, ano ho yun?
Expense allowance po, ito po ay as JBC Chairman si Chief Justice.
Bakit ho may sarili siyang category?
Ganito po ang pinagawa sa akin ng immediate chief ko, na iano ko po yung in 3 categories.
Okay, pero hindi niyo po alam yung dahilan.
Opo.
Ngayon ho, sige, isa-isahin ho natin. Doon ho tayo uli sa page 1, Exhibit 114. Salaries ho, yung unang-unang entry, 353,045 pesos for calendar year 2002. Nakikita niyo po yun?
Opo.
So ano ho itong entry na to? I'm assuming ito ho yung official na sweldo niya as Chief Justice. Tama ho ba yan?
Ito po yung tinanggap niya starting April 9, 2002, yung pong entrance niya as Associate Justice of the Supreme Court.
I ask permission, Your Honor, just to advise the witness to talk louder, Your Honor. Apparently.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ayusin mo lang yung
Opo.
microphone mo para
Thank you.
naintindihan ka namin.